Welcome to the Wildcat 33 Chef, a functional rear kitchen floor plan that's perfect for couples who love to cook. This innovative design also incorporates a desk perfect for remote work and a spacious living room. Let's dive in and take a closer look. Stepping inside, you're greeted by an expansive living area that's highlighted by lots of natural light thanks to our new camp view window. The cherry on top is this functional desk with a great campsite view. Along with your entertainment center, you have cozy theater seating and a sofa that turns into a bed. When it's time for movie night, just pull down these blackout roller shades for an immersive experience. It's no wonder this model was named the 33 Chef. You've got your 16 cubic foot refrigerator that runs on 12 volts, a gas cooktop, a good-sized oven, and a nice microwave, plus loads of prep space on this countertop. Heading to the bedroom, you'll find a king-sized bed with underbed storage and a huge wardrobe that's prepped for both washer and a dryer if you want to add those for extended trips. The bathroom features a spacious shower with a skylight, a toilet, and great linen storage, a perfect mix of style and functionality. The Wildcat 33 Chef truly elevates the RV experience with our standard premium features like our 2-inch thick vacuum bonded sidewalls framed with aluminum that ensure a lasting build quality. It's also equipped with a 4-point auto-leveling 4x6 sectioned underbelly service panels and a 2-inch towing receiver with 4-way plug and an 18K BTU AC with prep to install a second and a third air conditioner. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the Wildcat 33 Chef. Ready to make it yours? Visit your local dealer or check out the website for more details. Until then, happy travels.